everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and keep watching more details. RHOBH's Erika Jayne lawsuit update could head to jury. Tom Girardi isn't known because of his marriage to Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star Erika Jayne. He worked as an attorney for decades and was co-founder of the once-esteemed law firm Girardi Keys. But after over 50 years of handling cases, the business was forced into bankruptcy and ultimately went defunct. Tom was later convicted of wire fraud and was disbarred from ever practicing law again, at least in the United States. What does this have to do with his RHOBH ex? Well, Erika is being accused of using over $25 million for personal use, all of which came from the firm's funding. Attorney Ronald Richards and his legal team are seeking financial justice, which would mean making the reality TV star pay back the money. The case is picking up steam, and the next step could lead it straight to a jury trial. Ronald recently took to social media to share an update regarding the case. He also provided official documents outlining the next court date and what could be ruled by the judge. We are hopeful that on June 4, 2025, the court will set a jury trial. Erika believes it will be a 10-day jury trial, he wrote in the Twitter caption. The attorney continued, revealing that if a jury trial is indeed granted in June, that it wouldn't take long to get the ball rolling. We believe a trial will be set before the end of the year. This is clearly the greatest imminent threat facing Erika today. Erika hasn't addressed the potential jury trial order just yet. Either way, if RHOBH Season 15 is coming, her storyline is already secured. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills is available to stream on Peacock and Hulu in the UK and Ireland. Erika Jayne, the glamorous star of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, is once again at the center of a legal storm that has captivated both fans and critics alike. Her ongoing legal battles, stemming from her estranged husband Tom Girardi's embezzlement scandal, have taken a new turn as she faces a $24 million lawsuit and potential default judgments in other cases. In September 2021, the bankruptcy trustee for Tom Girardi's defunct law firm filed a lawsuit against Erika Jayne and her company, RHOBH Global LLC, alleging that she knowingly benefited from funds embezzled from clients. The trustee claims that payments made to Erika's business were part of a criminal enterprise orchestrated by Girardi. Erika's legal team has vehemently denied these allegations, asserting that the funds were accounted for as debts of RHOBH Global LLC and not as personal liabilities of Erika. They argue that no promissory note exists to memorialize the alleged debt and that Girardi Keys, the law firm, never prepared such a written memorialization. Despite these defenses, the case is set to go to trial, with Erika expected to testify. The trial is anticipated to begin after June, and both sides are preparing their witness lists, which may include expert testimony. Beyond the $24 million lawsuit, Erika is grappling with other legal challenges. She faces a potential default judgment in a separate lawsuit filed by designer Christopher Sela, who accuses her of extortion and falsely accusing him of making unauthorized charges to her American Express card. Her attorney, Jim Wilkes, allegedly made a clerical error by failing to file a motion to dismiss correctly and missing a case management conference, leading to the court striking the motion and allowing a default judgment to be taken. These mounting legal issues have raised concerns about Erika's financial stability. Attorney Ronald Richards, who is not currently representing Erika, has pointed out signs that she may be experiencing money problems. He notes that Erika did not file a reply brief for her appeal in the Ninth Circuit and that her attorney missed deadlines, suggesting a lack of resources to manage her legal affairs effectively. The legal battles are taking a significant emotional toll on Erika. Her lawyer, Jim Wilkes, has stated that she is dealing with a lot of stress due to the lawsuits and the ongoing cancer battle of her close friend, Teddi Mellencamp. Erika has been accused of lacking empathy, particularly after a recent RHOBH episode where she reportedly said, "I don't care about anyone else but myself," when confronted about returning expensive earrings allegedly purchased with embezzled funds. Despite the controversies, Erika remains a central figure on RHOBH, and her legal troubles continue to be a focal point of the show's narrative. As the trial approaches, fans and critics alike are eager to see how the situation unfolds and whether Erika can clear her name or if the legal challenges will overshadow her public persona. The glamorous star of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills is once again at the center of legal turmoil. The latest chapter in her ongoing legal saga involves a $24 million lawsuit filed by the bankruptcy trustee of her estranged husband, Tom Girardi. This lawsuit alleges that Erika knowingly benefited from funds embezzled from Girardi's former clients. The trustee claims that Erika's company, EJ Global LLC, received substantial payments from Girardi Keys, Tom Girardi's law firm, which were allegedly derived from client trust funds. These funds were purportedly used to cover Erika's personal and business expenses, including her entertainment career. The lawsuit contends that Erika knowingly and willingly participated in this financial misconduct. In response, Erika's legal team vehemently denies any wrongdoing. They argue that the payments were made to EJ Global LLC, not to Erika personally, and were accounted for as debts of the company. Furthermore, they assert that no promissory note exists to memorialize any alleged debt owed by EJ Global to Girardi Keys. Erika's attorneys also point out that federal prosecutors did not call her as a witness in Tom Girardi's criminal trial, suggesting a lack of evidence against her. The mounting legal battles have taken a toll on Erika's finances. Reports indicate that she may be experiencing financial difficulties, with signs suggesting that her legal fees are becoming increasingly burdensome. Additionally, Erika is facing a separate $300,000 lawsuit filed by designer Marco, who accuses her of defamation and interference after she allegedly falsely claimed he overcharged her credit card. Public opinion has been divided. While some fans sympathize with Erika, acknowledging that she may not have been aware of her husband's alleged criminal activities, others criticize her for her perceived lack of empathy toward the victims of Girardi's alleged fraud. As Erika prepares for trial, the legal proceedings are set to unfold in the coming months. Both the trustee and Erika's defense team are expected to present their cases, with expert witnesses likely to testify. The outcome of this lawsuit could have significant implications for Erika's future, both legally and professionally. In the meantime, Erika continues to maintain her innocence, asserting that she was unaware of her husband's alleged misconduct and is merely a victim of circumstance. As the legal drama unfolds, fans and critics alike will be watching closely to see how this chapter in Erika Jayne's life concludes.